had 2 cookies after. What did you have for after? Oh. Well, I did because I had cookies. Good. I have 2. Well, we still have some. But if when you come home from Alabama, and if you be a nice boy, you can maybe have a chocolate chip cookie, okay? I'll let you have 2. Okay, but if you're bad, you're not going to get one. Okay.
Are you all done talking to Daddy?
You can talk now.
Can you tell him you love him?
I love you, Daddy. Okay.